In this part, we are going to talk about state, and since we will talk about the change of state, so we want to make the screen cleaner, and also we do not want the image and also the title and name generated every time. So we will delete these two cards and only leave one card here. And also we will fix the picture and also the job title. So back to the app.js, we will delete these two cards. Also, we will copy the job title instead of using the figure. We also copy the profile image. So now these two parts will become fixed. And at the top of the app, we will create a button which we were going to use this button to change the name of the card. So now there is a button on the top of the page, and since we were going to use the useState, which is the React hooks, so we need to import from the state. And here we will set a new variable name and also set name. And then we use the useState. We set the initial state as Alan Smith. So this is the initial state of the name, and this is used to change the state of the name. So here we will not use the figure. Again, we will use the state, which is name. Now you see the name will become Alan Smith. In order to change the state, we have to create a function to change the name. And here we will use the set name. And for example, we change to Michael Chan. And then at the button, we use onClick. And then we pass the function here, the change name handler, and then we click save. So now when you click the change name, it will become Michael Chan at the username. So this is how to use the state and how to change the state.